Hello everyone, good morning. Wish you all a happy and beautiful day. I hope you are all doing good and we can move on to our lesson. So in the last class we have just revised the first lesson, right? That is, we have practiced some examples which we just given in our textbook, right? And have you all practiced or have you all gone through it? So today we are going to just revise the first lesson, that is Introduction to Access 2016. Introduction to Access 2016. So here today we are going to just revise the question and answers in this lesson. Okay. So the first thing is fill in the blanks with the correct words. So what is the first question? A relational database stores data in the form of, you all know, right? So the database always stores data in the form of tables. Very good, tables. A relational database stores data in the form of tables. Then second one is, a new database opens a table, table 1, with one column name dash with auto number data type. So listen, whenever we are opening a new database, a new table with the name table 1 will be opened, right? So in that table 1 database, only one column will be there. What is the name of the column? That is the question. What is the name of the column? ID. Very good. So 1, 2, 3. It is an auto number data type. Automatically it will be generated, right? Then the third question. To remove the sorting, click the remove sort button in the dash group on the home tab. So if you want to remove sorting, so what are the two ways of sorting? Is you can sort the data in ascending order as well as you can sort the data in descending order. So to remove the sorting, you have to move to the home tab, and in the home tab where you can find this option, remove sort option. Yes, very good. In the sort and filter group, right? So to remove the sorting, click the remove sort button in the sort and filter group on the home tab. Very good. Then the next one is, a dash contains a certain type of information for all records. Field, very good. So the field contains the informations, right? The next, to rename a field name, dash it and type a new name. So if you want to rename a field, what you have to do? You have to just double click that field, right? So to rename a field name, you have to double click it and type a new name. Okay. So the next we are going to see about right true for the true statement and false for the false statement. The first question is, a row in a table is the information about one entity, whether it is true or false. A row means a row gives information about any one data, right? So for example, listen, in a row, I am typing your data. For example, 8A students, the first name, all the data in the first row will be the first student's name, right? Then second name, all the data in the second row will be the second student's name. So while putting attendance, you all have seen in your register, right? So in the first name they will write in the first place, first row, and your attendance will be written on that row, right? So the row in a table is the information about one entity, true. Then you can also enter data in design view. False, no, right? So you can't enter data in design view. So where you can enter data? Yes, in which view? Very good, data sheet view. You can enter data in data sheet view, not in the design view. Clear? So you can enter data in data sheet view and not in the design view. The next, the yes or no data type can have only one of two values, right? So we have seen this yes or no data type. So in this data type, you can use only two values, right? What are the two values? Either it is yes or no. So the answer is true. Then next question, once data type is assigned, you cannot change it. False. So you can change the data type. If you want to change means you can change the data type. So this is false. Once data type is assigned, you can change the data type. Then the upward pointing arrow to the right of the column header indicates that the table is sorting in descending order of the field. False, right? So what is that upward arrow? It represents ascending order. Clear? Then the next one is choose the correct option. The first one. Which one is not a DBMS software? Which one is not a DBMS software? Internet Explorer. So MySQL, it is also a DBMS software. Then Access, you are using this software now, right? The next Oracle. Oracle is also a DBMS software. You can store the databases. So which one is not a DBMS software? Internet Explorer. Okay. Then this Internet Explorer is the web browser. If you want to open or search anything in Google, you can search using this Internet browser, Internet Explorer. It is a web browser. Then, what is the extension of database? .accdb, right? So, .accdb is the extension of database. The number of characters stored in a short text is how many number of characters you can store in a short text? 255, right? Then this data type uniquely identifies the record and increments number automatically. Which type of data type? Auto number. Then to apply filter, what you have to do? Click the drop down arrow on right of the column header. Then click the column header. Then click the filter button in the sort and filter group on the home tab. That is the answer is both 1 and 2. Right? So, listen carefully. We have seen some fill in the blanks, then choose the correct options, then true or false, right? So, in the quick test for your midterm exam, the questions can be from true or false, or from the choose the correct option, or from the fill in the blanks. So, prepare everything. And there are match the following also. So, the match the following questions will be from these 3 types of questions. That is, choose the correct option and fill in the blanks and from true or false. So, prepare it clearly. Okay. So, then I have asked some more types of questions. Just we can go through it once. So, listen here very carefully. So, the next type of question I have asked for your exam is unjumble the letters to form words. I have given some letters. Have you seen here? D, S, O, R, E, C, R. So in the similar manner, in the question paper also, I will give some other words, not this word, some other words. You have to find, I have given some letters, you have to find the word. What is that word? Okay, so listen. I have given some letter in unjumbled format, right? So listen, what is this record? So RECORDS. So records. Then second one, same thing. I have given some letters in unjumbled format. You have to create the word. So FIELD, field. The next, can you find what is this? NUMBER. Yes, numbers. Then KEY, key. Okay, so such type of questions I have asked for your test. So I have not asked these words. Some different words I have used. So these words I just used for an example. Okay, so you have to find what word it is. Okay, so the next type of question is who am I? I will give you a hint. You have to find who is that. So here, listen here. I am the extension of database. Who is the extension of database? .accdb. So who is that? .accdb. So same way, I'll give you a hint. You have to find who is that. Very interesting, right? Then I am at the top of the Access 2016 window. So who is at the top of the Access 2016 window? Title bar. So the same type of questions I have asked for your midterm test also. So go through the textbook clearly, read it once and write the exam. Then I have asked the descriptive type questions. Only 5 2-mark questions are there, right? So just go through the 2-mark questions, study it clearly and write the exam well. Okay, so I hope you will do everyone will do the exam in a good manner. Okay, so we can meet in the next class. Thank you.